What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, we are going to review the Saros Finance. Okay, so this is a DEX on Solana X blockchain. Okay, so Saros, Saros currently is trading at 0.011. Is down 21.5% from the last 24 hours. Okay, the trading volume is 3.7 million. And total supply is 10 billion tokens. Scrolling further down, we can find the contract address, we can find the website and all the socials, okay? Clicking on Twitter, we can see, let me go all the way up. We can see that it has 97,000 followers and it's been live since 2020, okay? And we can also see the all-time low is currently now, okay, 11 minutes ago, and all-time high was 3 days ago, 0.025, okay. And where can you buy this thing? Gate.io, KuCoin, Bybit, Max, and many others, okay. So if you click on the website, we'll take you to this page right here, okay. And over here is um, where you can swap coins. So for example, let's say you want Solana and you want to buy a coin, you can come over here very quickly and buy one of these coins. If the coin is not here, all you got to do, just get the coin address, paste it over here, and you'll find a coin there. Okay, you can provide liquidity. Provide the liquidity is adding two pairs. So for example, let's say C98 and Saros. Let me see if I can find Saros here, right there. Okay, so that means you're gonna pair these two coins, okay, and you're gonna add liquidity and you will earn your share. Pools is where you can see the pools, the liquidity that we have available. So USD, Saros, etc. Okay, you can see by volume and liquidity size. Um, Huge pool in Saros. Okay, and we can farm. So farm is where you're gonna pair two tokens. Currently, they only have two. Okay, they had a few others completed 22. So if you click over here, we can see that they also had these pools available, but they are no longer available. So right now, they only have the native token paired with USDC and native token paired with C98. Obviously, the APR is super high, right? So this is about, so if we bring up the calculator, this is about 6% per day, okay? 6% per day. So if you pair Saros with USDC or Saros with C98, okay, you will earn around 6% per day, right? But keep in mind the price is on declining, okay? So you will suffer from a permanent loss. Even though you're gonna make some bucks, you're gonna lose some bucks because the depreciation of the Saros token, okay? So keep that in mind, right? So you have to balance the risk versus rewards, and you can also stake your Saros token. So you can do is, so you can, let's say you farm over here your LP tokens and you will earn Saros. And then if you want to exponentially increase your Saros tokens, you can come over here and stake your Saros tokens and earn 439% per day, which is about 439% per day. 39, that that's about 1.2% per day, okay? So 1.2% per day, and that's how you can exponentially grow your Saros back if you want to hold the Saros back in the long run. Okay, we can see the liquidity over here. We got 325,000 um, worth of Saros, and over here the farms. So we have 67,000, and over here we got 65,000. Okay, and obviously once this end block goes to zero, that means these farms will end. Okay, and essentially that's that. And we also have the snapshot. So participate in trading tournaments to win massive rewards in Saros. Okay, so this is not live yet, but this is something that will come in the near future. And essentially that's that. So the wallets they use is the wallet C98. Okay, so it works very similar to MetaMask. Okay, all you got to do if you don't have a C98 wallet, just add it to your Chrome extension or to your web browser and just register just like you do with MetaMask, and that's it. Okay, and everything works very, very similarly. Okay, and essentially that's Saros, guys. That's Saros. And if you like to farm and stake, this might be a good opportunity for you. If you are familiar with PancakeSwap, this thing does exactly the same. All right. So does Saros has a potential? I don't know. It's too early to say, but what I can say is this thing has been going on since 2022. Okay, so seems like the team are here to stay. And over here is where you can find more information about the project. You can swap, like I said, you can stake, you can farm, and the snapshot, like I said to you, it will come in the future. And Saros Finance is here to solve some problems, right? So capital efficiency, friendly UI, low cost fees, scalability, and fast transactions. Okay, over here we got the people that backed these projects. Okay, and if you come over here to docs, is where you're gonna find a white paper and find more information about the project. That being said, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.